of lithosphere. In crust, we also found two layers, Sima and Sial. First, what is Sial? Sial is the topmost layer of crust, where we can found silica and aluminium. Sima is the lower layer of crust, where we can found silica and magnesium. Correct? Okay. And some other layers such as mantle, outer core, inner core, etc. Okay. So now, friend, you know, in the continent bed we can found both Sima and Sial, but in ocean bed we can only found Sima. But friends, what is continent or what is ocean? So let's know about it. As we all know that 71% of the earth is covered by water and the rested part 29% of the earth is covered by land area. And in that 71% that is surrounded by water, where we can found oceans, and in 29% the land area we found continents. So let's know about the continent. After that we will learn about ocean also. First, what is continent? So continent is a large pieces of land where people can survive their life easily, such as these are continents. But there is only one continent on the earth. No, there are 7 continents on the earth. Let's know about them. First, Asia. Second, Africa. Third, North America. Fourth, South America. Fifth, Antarctica here. And located in Africa. The world's biggest desert, Sahara Desert. Okay? And I think that you all have listened about Kalahari Desert. It is also in Africa. And the Africa's highest peak is Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay? And it is famous for its diamond and gold. And the world's longest river, River Nile, flows through this continent. And it is famous for its gold and diamond rich and for its animal life. And if animal life is possible, then of course there are many forests because animals live in forests. And do you know a fact about Africa? It is also said as dark continent. Some historians said that it is called as dark continent because here there are many dense forests. Okay? I think now we have learned about Asia and Africa. Let's move towards North America. So, of course, if it is North America, so it is located in Northern Hemisphere. Okay? North America. It is the third largest continent in all of these continents. In the west, it is surrounded by Pacific Ocean. In the east, it is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. In the north, it is surrounded by Arctic Ocean. This is the surrounding of North America. Now, what are the special or important things of North America? Friends, what is the world's freshwater lake? Biggest freshwater lake? Yes, it is Lake Superior, and which is located in North America. And if Lake Superior is a freshwater lake, so which is the deepest lake? And where is it located? The deepest lake is Baikal Lake. But it is not located in North America. It is located in Asia. Okay? So we are talking about Superior Lake. Superior Lake is the biggest freshwater lake which is located in North America. And the longest river that flows through this continent is Mississippi. Okay? Correct? Now, the grassland. Okay? The grassland of North America is called as prairies. Okay? The grassland of North America is called as prairies. And I think that you all have listened about this famous fall, means Niagara Falls, which is also located in North America. Now we have taken much knowledge about North America according to me. So let's move towards South America. Is the fourth largest continent in all these continents. And Tropic of Capricorn and Equator both passes through this continent. And it is located in Southern Hemisphere. Now the surrounding of this continent. At the base, it is surrounded by Pacific Ocean. At the northeast, it is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. And in the north, it is also surrounded by a continent, North America. And at the south, it is surrounded by Southern Ocean, or we can say Antarctic Ocean. So this is surrounding of this continent. Now, some special thing about South America. You know, the world's largest river, River Amazon, also flows through this country. Means Amazon is famous for its drainage system. Okay, so it is also located in South America, the world's largest river, Amazon. Now you know the unbroken chain of Mountain Andes, the largest mountain chain, is located in South America also. And the highest peak of this continent is Mount Aconcagua. Papua. The grassland of South America is called as Pampas. The grassland of South America is called as Pampas. And the biggest country of this continent is Brazil. Now I think that we have taken much knowledge about South America. Let's move towards the next continent, means Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and it is in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded by Southern or Antarctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. And it is in the southern hemisphere only. Now some important thing about Antarctica. Always Antarctica is covered with a thick ice sheet. That's why it is also called as white continent. And it is also called as continent of science. Penguins, whales, seals are also found in Antarctica. There is no permanent human settlement in this continent. Some country researches scientific station in Antarctica, and India is one of those countries. India searches three stations. Name: first Maithili, second Bharti, and third Dakshin Gangotri. So this is Antarctica. Now I think that we have learned about Antarctica. So now Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent in all of these continents. Europe is the sixth largest continent in all these continents. It is also called as island continent and it is in the northern hemisphere. The surrounding of Europe is at the west it is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. At the north it is surrounded by Arctic Ocean and at the east it is surrounded by a continent named Asia. And at the south it is surrounded by Mediterranean Sea here, Black Sea and Caspian Sea. Okay, so this is surrounding of Europe. Europe is separated by Asia by Ural Mountains and it is separated from Africa by Strait of Gibraltar. And Strait of Gibraltar and Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea meet together by Strait of Gibraltar. And there is no Tropic of Cancer, equator or anything doesn't passes through Europe. Okay? Nothing passes through Europe. So now Europe. Now some important thing of Europe. You know the highest peak of Europe. Okay? The highest peak of Europe is Mount Elbrus, and the largest river that flows through this continent is River Volga. And the unbroken chain of mountain Alps is located in Europe. Okay, Mount Alps are located in this continent. Now I think that we have learned about Europe also. So Australia. Australia is the smallest continent